important because we're seeing children academically struggle unnecessarily. These kids are often diagnosed with learning disabilities such as dyslexia, ADD, ADHD, and no one really looked into their visual processing system or their auditory processing system. And when we don't look, we don't find. And when we don't find, we assume everything is normal for the child, and the child unnecessarily struggles. So it's so important. 80% of learning happens through the visual system. So it just makes sense that any child that is struggling with reading deserves a thorough evaluation of those two senses, vision and auditory system. If auditory and visual processing disorders go by undiagnosed and undetected, the child is frustrated. They don't like reading. They don't succeed academically in school. They will just not be efficient learners, and as a result, so many parts of life and function, go down the rabbit hole, so to speak. But if we're accurately able to diagnose these issues, we're able to really treat the condition at its core, and now they're able to function, happily and efficiently, and they're able to enjoy reading, they're able to enjoy going to school, and then succeed in all areas of their lives. I think any educator, anyone that is involved in helping kids, need to learn about auditory and visual processing disorders, because this really is the missing link. It's the hidden, it's a piece of the learning puzzle that we're not talking enough about. So if you're listening and you are an educator, you are a parent, you know a child that could be struggling academically, look into auditory processing, look into visual processing disorders, because that could be that missing piece of the puzzle that is prohibiting them from continuing to succeed in life. So any donor that is out there listening to this, this is a great cause. Okay, again, 80% of learning happens through the visual system. Up to 40% of children with learning disability actually has a vision issue. So if you want to make a huge impact, you want to help kids succeed academically and in life, look into Bright Minds Processing, learn more about us, and support.